Hello, Computer 2 students, and welcome to your assignment for this upcoming week. You will be creating a pie chart in Google Sheets. The instructions will be in Schoology, but I want to quickly go over the instructions for this assignment and show you how to get started and show you some of the ways that you can make a pie chart in Google Sheets and edit it for this assignment. So, the first step for the instructions, which will be in Schoology, and I will be giving a copy of the instructions to everyone in class. Step number one for this assignment is type the following information in Google Sheets. This chart shows class enrollment at Harbor Creek Senior High School. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up a new Google Sheet. And the data in the instructions says that I'm going to put in the following statistics or data for Harbor Creek students here at the high school. Once you get a copy of the instructions, you'll see that I'll be putting in 4 different sets of data for 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. So let's start with the 9th grade. These are from your instructions. There are 194 students in 9th grade. In 10th grade, there are 167. In 11th grade, there are 159. Then 12th grade, there are 166. Also, there is a quick title at the top of the table in the instructions that says number of students. I'm going to double click on this line to make it a little bit bigger so that all of my data fits into column B. So there's all of my data from the instructions for grades 9 through 12. Step number 2 in the instructions says, once the table has been completed, create a pie chart for the information located in a table. Each piece of the pie chart should be labeled. Make sure the title allows the reader to understand what the pie chart is showing. And then it says in parentheses, number of students is not acceptable. So I need to make sure that I make a pie chart, but I also have my data or each part of the pie chart labeled showing which part of the pie chart is which. So whenever I make a chart in Google Sheets, I need to first select my data. You can see that by selecting all of the data, all I have to do is highlight it. It will then automatically select and highlight the data that I just entered. In Google Sheets, if you come over here to the left, you'll see that there is a button for Insert Chart. This is where I'm going to put in my chart for this assignment. You'll see that if I do not have my data over here selected, I am not able to put in a chart. So I have to have data selected before I put in my chart. And the reason why is it's going to be super easy. I click on Insert Chart, and you'll see that data automatically came up. Now, because I've done the pie chart a couple of times, I want you to see there is a chart type. If your pie chart or if your chart does not automatically come up as a pie chart, all you have to do is click the drop down box and change it from a column chart or line chart to a pie chart. So there is my pie chart that I have created, that Google Sheets created with the data that I entered into my table. So it says that I need to change the title so that it's not number of students. And I can do that in 2 different ways. I can just simply double click here and change this to, let's do student population. You can put whatever you want, something related to student population or number of students. You can do Harbor Creek Senior High students, whatever you want to put in for your title. You can see that my chart always has, because I selected my data in column A, I have my labels for each section. Okay, we have 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade with the percentages for each one. Step 3, you need to make your chart look unique but readable. You can change colors, styles, fonts, etc. to make your chart look different than everyone else's. So how do I do that? I'm going to click on customize. So I'm going to change it from setup to customize. And you'll see as I scroll down, I can change my colors for each section. All I do if I want to change 9th grade or 10th grade, I can change the colors. You can then change different titles and axes. You can change your title here. You can put in a background color. All of the different customizations that you're going to be putting in your pie chart are all done under Chart Editor Customize. Once you are done, all you have to do is click the X and it will automatically close out of your chart. Now I'm going to move my chart over just a little bit so that I can have it right next to my selected data. Now, this is the completed assignment. However, step number 4 says save as pie chart. So I'm going to change my title to pie chart and upload to Schoology for your grade. So that is how you're going to be making your pie chart this week in class. Make sure that you have all your data selected, and when you are finished with your pie chart, please make sure you upload it to Schoology. That's it for this assignment. Hope everyone has a great week. Can't wait to see everyone in class.